Polygons folds to whatever size you need depending on the way you pick it up. Pre-marked areas on both spoon sizes, tablespoon and teaspoon, let you know where to pick up from to measure the volume required for your recipe. Practicality and simplicity at its finest. Both sizes have the unique 4" -1 design, which makes it easier to find the measurement you need in a pinch, no pun intended. When you back Polygons, you will receive a set that includes both the teaspoon and tablespoon measurements. The average tablespoon set comes with 4 different sizes tethered to each other with a ring, and if these spoons get untethered, you can kiss finding the one you need goodbye. With Polygons, you are able to find the size you need in seconds, without searching through all of your drawers. Plus, the spoon lays completely flat until you need to use it. When designing Polygons, we wanted to focus on making our product not only durable but also better for the environment than traditional measuring spoons. The hinges of Polygons are made of TPR, which have the property of being able to flex 100,000 cycles without failure. Edit: many of you have messaged us asking for a 10-year warranty card. The life of such a composite plastic product depends on a variety of factors such as usage patterns, abrasion, temperature, humidity, product abuse, etc., other than just the number of times its hinges can flex. The product may not live till 10 years, or it might even probably far surpass it. It would be like determining the lifespan of a person based on how well her joints function. Additionally, with the 4" -1 design, Polygons eliminates the need for excess plastic and metals that traditional measuring spoons use. The materials we use to create Polygons ensure all ingredients fall off the spoon with little effort. They ensure that the ingredients you use did not stain or stink up your Polygons measuring spoons.